You are watching part 2 of the series of healthy drinks. In this video, you will know how to keep healthy your heart with a natural drink. In today's fast paced world, maintaining heart health is more important than ever. Small daily habits such as consuming a heart healthy drink can make a big difference in keeping your heart strong and healthy. This video will introduce a simple and effective heart health drink made from easy to find ingredients. We will also explore its benefits, so stick around this video. A healthy drink for a happy heart has simple ingredients and big benefits. Note down these ingredients. These ingredients are rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and heart friendly properties. These are the simple ingredients. You will take beetroot, a medium size, and ginger. This is ginger. You will take a small piece of ginger, and this is carrot. You will take a medium size of carrot. This is lemon. We will take some drops of lemon juice, and here is orange. You can take also grapefruit instead of orange. First, you have to boil beetroot and carrot and this piece of ginger. Okay, so it's necessary, it's very important. Please don't use these ingredients without cooking. So just you have to boil them for 5 minutes, then remove it from the stove. Beetroot and carrot, I have already boiled them and now they are ready, and just I have to peel it out and see the skin. I am going to just peel it, and then I will just make some small pieces of the beetroot, and this is the carrot, and then I will also cut it in small pieces, and I will take only one orange. Let's talk about the nutritional benefits of the ingredients. Beetroot, it is a powerhouse of dietary nitrates which convert into nitric oxide in the body. This helps relax and widen blood vessels, reducing blood pressure and improving blood flow. It's also rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, which can harm heart health. And carrots are loaded with beta carotene and antioxidants that lowers cholesterol levels. Their potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, making them ideal for heart health. And oranges are high in vitamin C, which reduces inflammation and prevents artery damage. They also contain flavonoids that improve cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Now it's the step of blending these ingredients. I am going to add them in the blender jug. These are the boiled ingredients: carrot, beetroot, and ginger. Okay, now just put them in the blender jug and then add one orange slices, and then we will add some water, like 1 glass of water, and then we blend it with the blender machine, and there are some slices of oranges. It's equal to 1 orange. And ginger is also important for heart health. Ginger's anti-inflammatory compounds such as gingerol protect the heart from damage caused by inflammation. It helps improve circulation and may reduce bad cholesterol levels. Here I'm just going to add some drops of lemon juice, and then I will add 1 glass of water and 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is just for taste, and this will increase the taste of this drink. It is optional. Honey contains natural antioxidants that protect the heart from oxidative stress. It's a healthier alternative to sugar, which is harmful to heart health when consumed in excess. On the other hand, lemon is also very important for heart. Lemons help detoxify the body by flushing out toxins, promoting overall health. They are also effective in maintaining healthy blood vessels. Now talk about how this drink is very beneficial for your heart. The nitrates in beetroot and the antioxidants in ginger enhance blood flow, ensuring that your heart and other organs receive oxygen and nutrients efficiently. And on the other hand, this drink is also beneficial for high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease. This drink contains ingredients like beetroot, carrots, and oranges, which help relax blood vessels and reduce hypertension. Just blend it properly, and when you see the thick form of this drink, you will stop blending. And here is, I am just telling you one thing. You can strain it if you prefer a smoother texture. Strain the juice using a fine mesh strainer and add some honey. That I have already told you. Pour the drink into a glass and serve immediately to retain maximum nutrients. This drink is rich in soluble fiber and antioxidants that help reduce bad cholesterol LDL levels and increase good cholesterol HDL levels. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for heart health. This drink is low in calories and packed with nutrients, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet. I'm going to give you some tips for heart health, such as eat a balanced diet, include more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Stay active, engage in at least 30 minutes of exercise daily, such as walking, jogging, or yoga. Avoid smoking and alcohol. These habits can damage your heart and blood vessels. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. Get regular checkups, that is very important. Monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol, and overall heart health with regular doctor visits. Taking care of your heart doesn't have to be complicated. With this simple and natural drink, you can give your heart the love and care it deserves, packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and heart-friendly compounds. This drink is delicious way to stay healthy. If you feel any reaction or any side effects of any ingredient, please consult your doctor first. Start making this drink part of your routine, and you will feel the difference in your energy, well-being, and overall health. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Here's to a happy and healthy heart. Share this video. Thanks for watching.